Hi there, it's Angie Zimmerman, the Flower Diva, and today I'm showing you how to do this really cute little arrangement. And you could do as many of these as you want, and you can do them in whatever size that you want. I just chose this little vase because I knew it was going to take a while to do this. We've covered the outside of the vase completely with lily grass, and on the inside are just clusters of hypericum berries. You could put anything in here. I got this idea from a magazine, and in the magazine they used variegated lily grass, so a little bit of green and white striping, and then for the flowers they used little white daisies. So cute. I would see you having multiples of these as opposed to just one, but that's kind of my vision, and I could see these going down the center of a table or even in front of every person's place setting. What a fun way to entertain. Enjoy. Head on over to flowerarranging101.tv, buy yourself a membership, and then have access to watching me actually make this for you on camera, and you get to see the whole thing from start to finish. Enjoy. Happy St. Patrick's Day.